You can share your eCard via your device to any of the communication apps that you use. We offer two really helpful settings. One, you can choose to share your link and include extra templated text. And two, you can choose if you want to send the first page of your eCard design as an image. Use the toggles to set these options. Here, you can set your share link text. We provide some pre-generated templates that use the information about your eCard. Let's click the reminder to RSVP. You can see the share link text provides a prompt to guests that the event is coming up soon. However, when you are first sending your invite, you will want to use the invitation template, so let's click on that. Sending your eCard via share link will work best on your mobile phone. That is because you will have access to more chat apps when you are using your phone. So if you are on desktop, log in to CreatEcards on your phone instead and navigate to the send page. Let's have a look at sharing your invite via iMessage. Click Share in CreatEcards. This will open your device's native share menu. Let's now click on the Messages app. Your eCard, with your share link text, RSVP link, and the image of your eCard will be displayed automatically in a new message. You can then easily send this to your contacts. They will receive the invitation just like this. Similarly, let's look at sending using WhatsApp. This time in the share menu, click WhatsApp. WhatsApp will open to a new message and automatically include your invite image and the share link text. Again, you can send this to your contacts. They will receive the message like this. They will be able to see all your events information and click on a link to access your eCard webpage where they can RSVP